Greetings folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's. Today I am in Guca, Serbia at the Guca factory. This model right here shown beside me is what we call the Guliver in North America. We have it featured here in two colors. Located right here is going to be the soapstone and here is going to be the burgundy color. The burgundy color is like a ceramic porcelain tile, so it's very, very easy to keep clean. If anything spilled on this, it's going to wipe right up. The ceramic tile is available in 3 different colors. The red that's shown here, we can order it in a cream color and all black as well. Here we do have the stone finish. We have had some shortages on stone, so we're going to be bringing in some models with the cast iron panels. Cast iron will be available in black or a gray kind of silver color. The cast iron panels are going to have the same kind of thermal storage benefit that the stone models have that we talk about in a lot of our other videos. This model can be ordered with a left or a right hand flue that must be specified at the time of order. It is reversible from a top to a rear vent, and that can be changed on site. This is primarily a cast iron stove, so the cooktop is going to be cast iron, the doors are going to be cast iron as well as the frame. Inside the firebox door, let me just point out, I love this beautiful decorative on the front of the door. Other cast iron stove manufacturers don't quite pay the same attention to detail, so I really like these aesthetics. Inside the firebox door, it is going to be fully gasketed around the firebox door as well as inside the glass. You do have a grate that comes standard inside the firebox. This can be used as a summer grate. So if you want to cook on the cooktop in the summer without producing much heat into the room, this is an excellent option. Also at the beginning or the ending of the season, it can be a great option to build smaller fires for less heat output. Located below the firebox is going to be your ash pan clean out here. You also have 3 damper controls located on the unit. Your primary damper control is going to be located here on the bottom of the stove. You have grate control located right here. This would be for dumping any clinkers if you're burning coal or for ash clean out when burning wood. Your top damper control is going to be located right here, which is how you will activate the oven. This model does have an air wash. You can see these holes right here. The air wash is what's going to bring the combustion air back down the glass so it stays burning nice and clean for you guys. Located here is going to be the oven. It is a full stainless steel oven. It comes with 3 levels for your racks. It does come with just 1 single oven grid. So if you would like to bake more than 1 thing at a time, please order an extra oven rack. Your oven cleanouts are going to be located directly below the oven and above the oven, and you just open these plates with a simple screw mechanism right here. Below the firebox is going to be your pan drawer. This can be used for storing extra pans, kindlings, or logs as it does not get excessively hot below. Here we show inside the warming oven. Quite a bit of space to be able to set something in here. It's interchangeable for a left to a right hand flue. This is going to come with some kind of plug, so you're going to want to plug the top of whichever flue you aren't using, otherwise your heat is going to dissipate out of your warming oven and kind of defeat the purpose. Here you can see that it is a full cast iron cooktop. These lids are removable. Only on the firebox side are you going to get that direct flame access for wok style cooking. This is your flue outlet. It appears that there's another plate here, but it's not actually interchangeable from left to right. That has to be ordered at the factory. However, you can change from a top to a rear vent model. It does come standard with this rail on the front of the unit, the towel bar, but there's no option for a 3-piece wrap, so it'll just be the single railing. I really hope that you guys found this product overview helpful. I try and show you guys the full product before you make your purchase. If you guys have questions, comments, please drop them below. I do read your guys' comments. Don't forget, if you like my videos, give them a thumbs up. Click the subscribe button in the corner of the channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. God bless. Have a wonderful day.